Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to disable some more options from the context menu of Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you whenever we right mouse click. So you can see here at the bottom, so more options, right? So how you can disable this so more options from the context menu of the Windows 11. So for this, what you need to do on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus R to open the run program. And in the run program, you need to type this command, reset it. So type this name. After that, you can click on OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now it will open the registry editor program, and now you can see here on folder name H key current user. Just select it and just click on this left arrow icon, and once again just select this folder software and once again click on this left arrow icon. Now you can see here on folder name with classes, just select it and once again click on this left arrow icon. And now just scroll down below. Now you will see here one folder with the name CLSID. Just select this folder and once again click on this left arrow icon. And now you will see here one folder name with 86CA with ending with a 2A2. So you need to select this folder and now just right mouse click on it and click on this new and just select this key and just give a name info server 32. Just give this name and hit enter. And on the right side you will see here default. Just double left click on it and just click on OK. Now once all your settings are done, you can just minimize or you can close it. And on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the Task Manager. And in the Task Manager, just scroll down below and just select this Windows Explorer. And you can see at the bottom, Restart. Just click on it. Now you can just close it. Now just right mouse click to check if the show more options from the context menu of Windows 11 is disabled or not. So let me just right mouse click. Voila, now you can see here there is no more show more options. So if you want to restore it back, then once again move back to the same registry editor option which you have done some changes. Now just select this info server 32 folder and just right mouse click and click on delete. Click on yes. Now you can close this registry editor. Now once again just press Ctrl Shift Escape and the Task Manager, just scroll down below. Once again select this Windows Explorer, click on restart. Now you can close it and let us check if it is restored back or not. So let me just right mouse click. So you can see being restored back. So by using this method, you can easily disable some more options from the context menu of Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.